So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So I'm very happy to share my knowledge on uh, Rockwell platform in Studio 5000. So I hope you are enjoy this journey, learning journey from zero to advanced, basic to advanced. So in this video, I am discuss about how to use move block and logical move logical instruction, move block and also and block and instruction bit with in exclusive or and bit with exclusive and so let's check how to use first. We will see first we will see how to use move block, and then we will see how to use add block, and after that then we will see how to use or block. So let's uh, so what is move block? Move block is nothing but with the help move block we can move value from another move value from another output to another input, or another input to another output. Just like take example, we have take example, take a timer, and timer name is move tmr, and right click on move tmr and click on create, and after that take a move block logical move logical, take a move block, and after that take another led, or take another move block, and we have a counter, compare logical. We will take a counter, timer counter, copy and paste, and delete instruction, delete instruction, and take another instruction run, and click on on timer, and delete on to counter up, and delete beyond timer from run number 31. So have required we have to move block. So and from move block also take a multiple block, multiple. So we know that in Tion timer preset value required for 1 second 1000 millisecond, because Tion timer in Studio 5000 Tion timer value read in millisecond 1 second. When we have required to put value 1 second, so we will put value 1000 millisecond for 1 second. So the name of timer move tmr, and here multiple move mul move mul base create controller base, and by default data type didn't, scope programming, external source, decimal, consume, and sequencing, open instruction logic. Click on create. Source A to source V 1000, and move PMR, move PMR dot move dot move PMR dot 1. Control T, Control W. We require copy and paste it here. Move and for destination, click on right click on Beyond Timer, copy and select on move, paste it here. Dot pre reset, and for second move counter, move counter, and Control W, and right click, move, so now we can see program is finalizing. Program has been finalized. Done download, change controller mode back to run mode. Click on yes. So from easy we can use for simplification, change millisecond. We can use this method for change millisecond into minute, or we have required to change hour. So click on add a one multiple block and into 60, because 1 minute is equal to 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. So 60 minute into 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. So 60 second, it is a 60 second. 1 minute 60 second, 60 into 60, so 36 minute means 1 hour, and 36 into 1000, so 33 lakh millisecond equal to 1000. So click on multiple block and we can change the block 1 to 2 minutes. Easily we can see change 1 to 2 minutes. 2 into 60, 1, 2 into 60, 1000, 1 lakh 20,000, and 1 lakh 20,000. LED will be on. LED is on till now, until in unless, till LED is on till now, timer will be complete done bit, and after done bit timer has been reset. Timer will be reset. Click on save. Also we can check for counter. So control T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We can see 15. Now timer accumulator value is 15 and done. Timer 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 done bit, timer done bit, and LED 23 is on. Example, we have required to change preset value of the counter. So we set CPU dash TRE dash 1, control W, right here, from here 20. So we can see easily value is moving from move block C2 PR preset 1 to move CTU preset. We can see move 20 and LED will be off because I just changed the value. So thank you for watching my video. If you learned and if you like my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Keep learning, keep going.